Hey guys, my name is Kyle and welcome to Product Journey YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about a very specific question that some people ask me and I wanted to respond by recording this video. So the question is, can UX and UI designers become product managers? Is that common to happen? Is that the next step on the design career after you reach a leadership career? Should you become a product manager? So I'm gonna try to explain what I think about that and try to kind of answer this question. So I did some courses in the past few months, and during the courses I could learn some ideas behind the product management career. And one thing that I found very interesting was that on the courses, some of the contents approached this kind of question. And to me, it was kind of a relief when the tutor said that it's very common for designers to become product managers, and not only designers but engineers as well can become product managers, and people working in those areas are very likely to become great product managers because of the background in the design area can help actually a lot if you become a product manager, because as a designer you are very used to think about the product and how to build the product. And when you become a product manager, that background, that technical background can be very helpful, especially when you have to talk with designers and understand what they are trying to say, or even if you want to communicate some idea, you can express yourself in a better way because you have all the required knowledge to talk in the same language, and you'll be able to better understand each other. And also, because of your background as a designer, you probably had to deal several times with engineers and understand how to make your design feasible in practical ways so you can actually develop it. So it's also a great skill that you have. It will help you complement your product management career because you already have that knowledge when you were a designer, and you are familiar with all the tools and all the communications and everything that has to do with the product. So that's going to be very beneficial for you. And I feel that a lot of people, a lot of designers actually, they are trying to reach other areas of the company, because if you are a designer worried about the strategic decisions and you are worried about the business and also how to solve problems and how to deliver the best product for your users, probably your design position, depending on the company you are kind of limiting yourself in those areas. So it's good if you can find a way to reach other roles, sometimes becoming a product owner or sometimes becoming even a product manager, and that will help you to be closer to the strategic decisions on the company, and that will benefit the product building as well. And so I feel that because of the explosion of UX design roles and more designers becoming aware of the importance of strategic decisions and how to use design to even empower those decisions, it's making designers to reach other positions and to be able to help the companies more effectively than just being a designer and just delivering the design deliverables, and also bringing that design vision into the product management role. Of course, as a designer, you have to improve a lot, learn a lot of things, new things, learn how to use different kind of tools. You have to be prepared to do more analytical stuff, manipulate data, to make very complex decisions, looking for things that are important for the business, things that are important for your team, and also important for your users. So you will be managing all those different areas, design, tech, and business, and you're going to be in the middle of everything, trying to make a way for everything to be balanced and to deliver the best product for your user, and as well achieve your company's strategic goals. And also you'll be defining those strategic decisions as well. Probably you won't be using design tools very often, and by design tools I mean actually Sketch or Figma, those tools that you use to create the layouts and prototype, and those will not be the daily basis tools that you're going to be using. For sure, it will be a little bit more distant from this design side, but at the same time, you will be using design tools such as frameworks and other tools that help you to define the product vision, to do the product discovery, and also more analytical tools such as mixed panel, amplitude, using a lot of data to make your decisions. And that part I feel that as a designer you might not already have, and then you have to study and to complement your skills with that vision and with that tool. So I guess very common for designers to become product managers. I see a lot of designers deciding to move into that career path. It's not so common right now because you don't see a lot of people talking about that. But if you go on the web and search for it, even went to Google and typed in some information about those transitions, designers making transitions to product management roles, and I found some articles, even articles written in 2017. So it's happening. It's not so popular, but it's happening. Other people are doing the same transition as well. So I feel if you are kind of second guessing yourself, should I do that? Should I move from a design career to a product management career, or even to become a product owner at first and then moving into a product management role? I would say that that's pretty normal. Don't feel overwhelmed. Just go for it if that's what I want. If you want to be more strategic in your company, if you want to be working alongside your stakeholders and business people and your team of developers and designers as well, I think product management will be a good fit for you. Of course, this is going to be a whole new world, and you're going to be required to learn a lot of different things, and you have to be prepared to solve real complex problems. And sometimes it will be a little bit off of your comfort zone or a little bit distant of everything that you've already seen and known as a designer. So keep that in mind. But if you're looking for challenges, new challenges, and also if you are looking to learn new things and you are seeing that as a great opportunity to improve your career and to be a better professional, and if you are kind of a person that's always wanted to know more about the business side of things and how to structure business and the products, and you like to work in that strategic level, then I think you'll be happy to be a product manager, but because that's pretty much what a product manager does and have to do on a daily basis. So yeah, don't feel afraid. That's a very common path for designers. I am myself proof of that. Now I'm changing my career to become a product manager, so don't feel scared. Of course, it will not be easy at the first time, but over time you will get better and better. And I hope I can help you as well, bringing my own experiences here and also sharing some knowledge with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not, leave the thumbs up on the video if you liked it. And also, if you want to share your thoughts or if you want to comment on something that I said, please comment down below. Don't feel shy. I will respond to everyone that comments there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching so far. Hope to see you on the next videos. Bye-bye.